What's going on, everybody? My name is Ray, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. And oh, by the way, this is the first time I've ever worn a hat on camera. I don't even think that really matters. So in today's video, I want to talk about a myth that I personally think is not true. And here's why. Basically, what I'm trying to say is most people think that you need the most expensive equipment to get the best results when it comes down to like photography, videography, anything in that realm. So if you are into any of that, this is the video for you. Based off my own experience, right now, I haven't really bought anything expensive except for my 4K laptop that I bought because I needed something mobile. And there's a video, I'm gonna leave a link up here or up here. I don't know where the card thing shows up where you can watch the video. Anyways, the lens I'm shooting with right now cost me 35 bucks, and just look at the focus and the depth of field. Like, I'm just like, all of this is all top of blurry, and I'm putting like small little objects right in front of the camera, so it has that weird, you know, I'm in like in the middle type of feeling. I don't know how to explain it, but it only cost me 35 bucks, $32.99 to be exact. And these lenses are called the Fotasy, I'm not even sure if I'm saying it right. Fotasy 35mm f1.7. And as far as stabilizers, most people think that you need the most expensive stabilizer to get the most smoothest shots. In my own experience, the only stabilizer that I've owned was for an iPhone. And I'm not gonna lie, this thing here can do justice. Like, you can grab an iPhone 7 and take some dope ass shots. Now, most stabilizers or gimbals cost like 800 bucks, like the Ronin M or like the Ronin S. But this right here is the Neewer shoulder rig that I've been using for all of my shots. And honestly, all the shots, all of the B-roll shots that I've shot of my 4K laptop was off of this thing here. This thing here is 35 bucks. You can get so many good shots, just smooth panning shots in and out. Like, it is so simple to use. All you do is, it has a little screw thing on it, and you can close it up like this, expand it out like this, you know, and it might be a little tough, but it's 35 bucks. Like, what, huh? It has 3 points of contact, and you can go, you know, left and right, up and down, all the way down. It's so smooth. The best way for me to show you guys, prove to you guys that you don't need the most expensive equipment, I'm gonna be using the lens that I'm using right now, smack the camera on this rig here, and take some B-roll footages of a coffee mug. Why a coffee mug? Because I love coffee. And honestly, I need coffee right now because I'm like so drained of energy. I need my caffeine. I need coffee. I need some coffee, and I really need some coffee. I need to wake up. On to the next scene. I'm gonna go make this coffee. Coffee. And we're back. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that B-roll footage, cinematic scenery of my coffee. You guys all know I love coffee. If you don't know, I love coffee. If you don't know. So yeah, you really don't need the most expensive equipment to get the best results. Use what you have. Use what you can. If you're into this type of video, go ahead and smack that like button. If you didn't like it, go ahead and smack that dislike button. Hopefully you did like it, because obviously that's what I'm aiming for here. If you haven't yet, go ahead and feel free to subscribe. Smash that button if you want to. I don't know what you like to do with that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell here, anywhere. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace!